Hello and welcome, California home buyers. Today we're diving into some crucial updates in the mortgage world that could greatly impact your home buying journey in 2024. Recently, new conforming loan limits for both conventional loans and FHA loans were announced for the upcoming year 2024. This is big news, especially for first-time home buyers, as these changes influence down payments and overall loan affordability. All right, let's break it down. For conventional loans, the limit has increased from $726,200 all the way to $766,550. This means that for first-time home buyers, you can now put down as little as 3% in areas below the high balance threshold. In high balance areas like San Francisco, Orange County, and Los Angeles, you can go all the way up to $1,149,825 on a one-unit property, and all the way up to $2,211,600 on a four-unit property with as little as 5% down. This is huge, as you can use the rental income on the other three units to help you qualify. And this adjustment aims to, make it more accessible in high-cost areas, and in my opinion, it's definitely doing that. All right, so turning to FHA loans, the minimum down payment remains at 3.5% of the purchase price, making it a viable option for buyers, whether you're purchasing your first-time home or buying again. FHA loan limits differ per county and now are $763,600 in Sacramento County and go all the way up to $1,149,825 in San Francisco and LA counties. Remember, these are area specific. If you want to look up what your specific limits are, we'd be happy to talk to you and discuss that and find what those changes are and how it directly affects you. All right, so why is this important? Well, these updated limits not only impact lower down payments for many first-time home buyers, but also give better pricing and product options based on your income and loan amount. We know navigating the world of home loans can be pretty complex. Our team is here to help you understand what your mortgage solutions are and what the best solution is for you. So contact us today for a personalized consultation. I look forward to talking to you. Have a great day.